Here in the state of Nevada, automobile insurance fraud is prosecuted by the Attorney General's office, and it can encompass a wide array of conduct designated under NRS 686A. Automobile insurance fraud could involve falsely claiming that your car was stolen when it was really just abandoned. It could involve claiming that you were injured in an automobile accident when in fact you were not. It could involve claiming that items were stolen from your vehicle when in fact they were not. We also see a lot of cases where someone may be charged with insurance fraud in relation to an arson, where a car is found, it was set on fire, and it's later alleged that the person who made the claim was actually the person that set the car aflame or had somebody else do it. The penalties for automobile insurance fraud can include state prison. With the difficult times being faced by many people here in Las Vegas due to the economic circumstances, it could be that someone bit off more than they could chew, got a car that was more expensive than what they could afford, they lost their job, they can't make the note, they're worried about how this is going to affect their credit, and so it seems like a rather simple solution. Hey, if my car is stolen, my problem goes away. And in terms of how these cases have been investigated by the Attorney General's office, it can be very difficult for the state to prove actual fraud. Oftentimes, in terms of negotiations, if the party is willing to pay some form of restitution, these cases can be dismissed or in fact never filed at all. If you've filed an automobile insurance claim and suddenly you have private investigators from the insurance company calling you repeatedly or knocking at your door, or law enforcement agents contacting you about your claim, don't talk to them. Call us here at the Las Vegas Defense Group, and we'll help you navigate through this process with the objective to avoid any charges being filed at all.